In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a music playlist on YouTube. So this can be really useful to go and add all of your favorite songs to a playlist. You can then go and listen to this playlist back at any time in the future. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to the YouTube homepage and make sure you're signed in to a YouTube account. You can then use the search box to go and search for the first song that you want to add to the playlist. You can then simply go and click on the video that you want to add. Now, once you've selected a song, you need to scroll down to these three horizontal dots and click this. You can then press save and then select new playlist. Now we're going to give the playlist a name, so I'm just going to call this music. You could then adjust the visibility, so this can either be set to public or private. I'm going to set mine to public. You can choose to collaborate with other YouTube accounts on this playlist. I'm just going to leave this disabled and then go and press create. So now that playlist has been created, we can go and add multiple songs to the playlist. So let me go and add a second song as well. Then all we need to do is come back down to these three horizontal dots. You can click on save once again, and then you can just go and select the music playlist, and this will automatically be saved. Now, to go and actually find your playlist, head back over to the YouTube homepage. You can then click on playlists from the left hand side, and here you'll find your music playlist, and you can simply go and click on this to start playing through your different music.